Hi everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to find the phone number connected to a Facebook account directly from the Facebook app. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your device. Once the app opens, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top corner of the screen to open the menu. Now scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. After that, tap on Settings. Inside the Settings page, look for the Account Center option and tap on it. Next, tap on Profiles. Then go to Personal Details. Now open the Contact Info section. Here, you'll be able to see the email address and mobile number linked to your Facebook profile. And that's it. That's how you can quickly find the phone number connected to your Facebook account. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.